This time around, we're talking about Mittimus. And Mittimus means this is the judgment of conviction. This is the document that says that what a person is charged with, what the jury verdicts were, and what sentence was imposed by the judge. So this is an important document, Mitch, right?
It is, and actually, if there's a sentence involved, obviously the way our system works, there's the separation of powers, and the jail or the Department of Corrections are actually run by the executive branch. So this is the document that then empowers the executive branch to hold somebody. So if somebody gets a 10-year sentence in the Department of Corrections, or if they get a year in the Denver County Jail, and somebody says to the sheriff, well, what authority do you have to hold me or to hold my client? The mittimus is the order from the court saying, hold this person for 10 years or for a year to whatever jail it is. It's also used by the probation department. A sentence can be to probation, a sentence can be to community corrections. It's the document that says, we resolved this case either with a plea or with a jury verdict. This is what he was found guilty of or convicted of, and this is the sentence. When we use it sometimes is when we do habitual criminal process. We have to prove somebody was convicted maybe back in 1995. What we'll do is get a packet from the Department of Corrections, and in that packet will be fingerprints, mugshot, and the mittimus. And the mittimus will be the same as the mittimus that was in the court file. They'll have the same number, it'll just be a copy of it. And that shows the consistency from what happened in court, what happened then with the sentence at whatever jail. The sheriff needs one for the county jail, and the Department of Corrections would need one for the Department of Corrections sentence.
So nobody moves without a mitt, is that who we were talking about earlier?
Absolutely.
Yes.